MBT 6 to Wayne, little freestyle, see what we can come up with, man. You can call me the paper chaser. Fuck with me on the block, I will cut your face up. Ayy, Hilly bar, you're a gronk cunt. When I come through town, you're getting got, son. Ayy, writing statements, yeah, we know you did it. If Gary Barr flopped his cock, you would probably lick it. Ayy, send me messages about your missus. It ain't my fault, but she doesn't wanna fuck with snitches. I'm just stating the facts. If you wanna fuck around, you know I'm down to attack, cunt. You ain't even black, you're just a big nose fuckwit. And you're on the roids, lad. Yeah, we know that. You're getting bashed by your missus, yeah, we know that. You're a flop, lad. You're a gronk, lad. You and your team are getting got, lad. Fuck ya.